Hi, I'm Kari Percival.
And I'm Greg Cook.
And we're the Wonderland Spectacle Company. Greg, why are you wearing a duck suit?
Because today we're making art to welcome back songbirds.
In spring, if you listen, you can hear songbirds singing in your neighborhood, out your window, in the trees.
You might see a nuthatch.
Have you heard a cardinal singing? Or a chickadee? Chickadee-dee-dee.
How about a red-winged blackbird? Oh, wait a minute, look at that. It's a grackle.
What kinds of birds have you heard in your neighborhood?
So what kind of bird are you gonna make?
We've seen a lot of robins in our yard, and they say, cheerio, cheery, cheerio, cheery. We see them everywhere, so we're gonna make a robin.
What you need: paper, scissors, crayons, pens, and glue.
First, you want to pick out a paper that's the main color of the bird. So I'm going to flip it to the back, and I'm going to draw the shape of my bird. The first part you can make is the C shape right here. Then you can connect the top and bottom of the C with sort of a bouncy line. The body of the bird, which is going to be sort of like a fish shape. Now I can add the head, and then I can make the beak. Depending on what kind of bird you're using, your bird might look different. Now I'm going to cut this out. Flip it over in this side, and it shows the shape of the bird. If you look at a picture of a robin, what are some details I want to add? One thing is they have a dark colored head. Then they have a red belly and a yellow beak, and a little bit of white here and there.
I'll take some black paper, and if you don't have the right color construction paper, maybe you can find a piece from a magazine or something.
And I just put it right under there. I can trace the head. Out. And I put some zigzags on the neck. Then I'm going to need some red for the chest of the robin. Nice red tomatoes, that'll be good. And I'll add a little fun texture too. A little yellow for the beak. I think some of these melons look like they would be a good beak for my bird. Now I have all the pieces I need. And I'm going to glue all the pieces. Now, I just need to add the eye. Let's see what I have in here to make a good eye with. I have a little bit of white under their chin. And then I can add some texture with the wings. And the feathers.
Now that I have this robin done, I can stick it on my window. Then the birds will see it on the window and not bump into it.